Hey everyone, welcome back to Mixing It Up with Michelle. Today we're unboxing something that every driver needs, especially in the winter, a portable tire inflator. This is the EAFC Tire Inflator, and we're about to see if it's a game changer for keeping our tires properly inflated and on the go. Now, if you've ever walked out to your car on a chilly morning and noticed that your tire pressure warning light is on, you're not alone. Cold weather causes the air in your tires to contract, which can lower your tire pressure by about 1 to 2 psi's for every 10-degree drop in temperature. Underinflated tires don't just affect fuel efficiency, they can also lead to poor handling, reduced traction, and even tire damage over time. That's why we're having a reliable tire inflator handy is a must. So let's dive in, unbox this EAFC tire inflator, and see if it's the perfect solution for our quick and easy tire maintenance. Let's go. Okay. Set for PSI.
Okay.
What's the car? 34? Okay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, speaking slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious.
And that's it, guys. The EAFC tire inflator is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your tires properly inflated, especially in those cold winter months. No more dealing with that low air tire pressure warning or scrambling to find a gas station that actually has a working air pump. Plus, think about all the money you'll save. Some places charge $1.50 or more just to fill up your tires, and that adds up fast. With this portable inflator, you've got free on-the-go air whenever you need it. And let's be real, no one likes standing in the freezing cold, rustling a dirty air hose at a service station. So if you're looking for an easy, budget-friendly way to keep your tires in check, this might be the best investment for your car. Let me know in the comments. Do you already use a portable air tire inflator, or is this something you'd try? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you never miss another review, haul, and handy car tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.